This time naman ang gagawin natin is yung cart. So, dito sa may cart folder, gawa tayo ng cart.js. And then, syempre, const cart is equals to function and export default natin cart. Yan. So, syempre kailangan din natin ng design cart.module.css. Yan. So, import na rin natin. Import classes from cart.module.css. Oops. Yan. Save that. And then, let's define this return statement. Okay. Una, kailangan natin ng div. Yan. Dalawang div. And then, for the meantime, gawa muna tayo ng dummy data ulit. So, gawa tayo ng constant. Sabihin natin cart item is equals to array of data. So, let's say, ID is C1. And also, name will be Sushi. And then amount will be, sabihin natin in a dollar, $12.99. Okay, that's right. And then, this data is imamap natin at ibabalot natin sa ULLI. So, before that, we'll have this UL and ibalot natin tong data natin dito kay UL. And then, gagawin natin, magmamap tayo dito. Map. Yan. So, bali, let map, every iteration, tatawagin natin item. And then, sa kada iteration, maglalagay tayo ng li. Yan. Tapos, tatawagin natin yung name. Item.name. So, let's save this. Okay, item.name. Okay, dalawa yung parent, yung div. So, dapat isa lang pag JSX, di ba? Dapat isang div lang ang pinaka-parent niya. Okay, dito tatawagin natin si cart item. And then, ano pa bang kailangan natin? Sa unang div, maglalagay tayo ng span at tatawagin natin tong total amount, also another span, tatawagin natin tong for the meantime, static muna yung data natin. So, we will hard-code it. So, 35.62 for example. So mga susunod gagawin natin tong dynamic. Anyways, dito tayo sa second div. Sa second div natin, button. Sa button, lagay natin close. And another button. And ano ba? Okay, so lalagay natin dito is order. Oops. Oh, order. And then, let's save that. Define muna natin yung mga CSS natin. Okay, so kakaroon tayo ng cart item. Para dito, list style natin is none. And the margin would be 0. And the padding would be 0. And the max height would be 20 rem. And overflow is auto. Okay, and total. Display natin is flex. And justify content is a space between. And align items would be center. And font weight natin would be bold. And font size would be 1.5 rem. And margin natin would be 1 rem. Okay. 1 rem, 0. And then, for the actions naman, okay, text align, right? And then, actions, button, targetin natin yung button. Font would be inherit. And cursor will be pointer. And background color, would be transparent. And border natin is 1 pixel solid hashtag 8A 2B06. And then padding would be 0.5 rem and 2 rem. And also, margin left natin would be 1 rem. Okay. And then, actions button when it is on the hover. And also actions button when it's in the active state. This is the design. Background color would be hashtag 5A1A01. And the border color would be the same. And the color of the text is white. Okay. Actions. And we will targeting the button class, button out class. And then the color will be same with this. And then actions button class itself would be background color of this color, and color would be white. Save that. Okay. And then let's define the CSS class. So in the UL, the class name would be classes that, oops, gamitin natin ng ganito. So, cart item. Ayan. And then, para naman dito sa may div na to, kailangan natin ng total. So, class name classes dot total. And para naman dito sa isang div, second div natin, class name classes, kailangan natin is actions. Okay, classes dot actions. And then dito naman sa may button na to, class name would be classes let's do this button out classes button out, and then para naman sa order, that would be button. So class name classes dot bottom. Let's save that. So ito yung para sa cart. So itong div na to, actually modal yan. Sa next video natin gagawin yan. So yun lang muna ngayon. Thank you. Okay, okay naman na to. So let's check lang dito. Parang may nakalimutan ako dito sa may button actions button. Kulang siya ng think border radius. Tawagin natin 25 pixel. Ayun lang naman siguro ang kulang dyan. So, anyways, ayun lang naman. So, as I said, next video, gagawin natin to. Dapat modal to. Ito yung parent div niya. So, yun lang muna. Thank you.